Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the phishing website detection using Python. So in that project we'll use the extension. So we have to add that particular extension. Let's open the project folder. Okay, and select the extension. Extension loaded. Let's open the new URL. Like you can see, it is added. Now we have to copy that particular URL and paste in any browser. Then extension will detect like phishing detective, no phishing detected. Then click on OK button. Like this website is safe. Let's again copy and paste in browser. Okay, and click enter. So phishing detective, no phishing detected. Okay, prevent this page from creating additional setting. Click on OK. Let's close it and again copy any other URL. So go to phishing search. Let's take this URL. Let's leave it and paste other URL. So deceptive site ahead, like attackers on a business form, it will show the alert message. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.